Ever wondered where that dash of exotic golden hue in your paella comes from? Or what gives your risotto its distinct, rich flavor? The answer is saffron, a spice as intriguing as its vibrant color and unique taste. Today we uncover the secrets behind saffron production and its myriad uses. Originating from the Mediterranean, saffron is a spice derived from the Crocus sativus flower, often referred to as the saffron crocus. Each flower boasts 3 vivid crimson stigmas, which we know and love as saffron. But how does one transform these delicate stigmas into the world's most expensive spice? The answer lies in a meticulous and labor-intensive process. The journey of saffron starts with planting. Saffron crocus bulbs are typically planted during the summer months in well-drained soil and under full sun. Come October, the flowers bloom, signaling the start of the harvest season. Each morning, as the sun's first rays kiss the earth, farmers handpick the blooming crocus flowers. Careful hands pluck the flowers one by one, ensuring the delicate stigmas remain unharmed. Next comes the extraction. Workers delicately separate the saffron stigmas from the rest of the flower. This task requires precision and patience. The stigmas, so delicate and tiny, are then collected and prepared for the next step. The third step in saffron production is drying. The collected stigmas are carefully spread on a sieve and dried under heat. This process is crucial as it helps to draw out the moisture from the stigmas, enhancing their flavor and preserving their shelf life. Finally, the dried saffron is packaged and ready to be dispatched, completing its journey from a humble crocus flower to a coveted culinary ingredient. But what makes saffron a staple in kitchens worldwide? Its unique flavor profile and health benefits. Saffron adds a subtle, earthy sweetness to dishes, enhancing their overall flavor. It's a star in many Mediterranean and Middle Eastern dishes, giving biryanis, risottos, and tagines their signature taste. Moreover, saffron is not just a culinary delight, it's also packed with health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, saffron has been known to improve mood, reduce PMS symptoms, and even possesses potential anti-cancer properties. So next time you sprinkle a pinch of saffron into your dish, take a moment to appreciate the labor-intensive journey this golden spice has taken to reach your plate. Saffron's tale is not just about a spice, it's a story of tradition, dedication, and the magic that happens when nature and human effort converge. And that is a flavor worth savoring.